Khyothyon chutney. Khyothyon fermented crab recipe. We are going to make Khyothyon here by using traditional wooden pestle and mortar. 12 red king chili, dried one. Fermented crab. If you guys are interested in how to make this fermented crab or Khyothyon, we will demonstrate the process of making and preserving it in the next video. Garlic, ginger and local dhania. Heat it well. Smash it well.
Itu bishi no chulawo lage. Itu chulai dishile to it will spoil your chutney. Alap hi heat up kori dibi. Alap hi gorom kori dibi. Palva mehen kori dibo lagibo. Ekdam mehen.
Tomato as required. Local dhania and garlic. Garlic and ginger paste. Mash it very thoroughly. Salt. Extracted lime juice. We have uploaded a video previously showing how to extract local and fresh lime juice for cooking purpose, which is followed by its preservation. Tomatoes, it goes well with the chutney, but I am sure that it is going to be pretty spicy too. Smash it well all together. Now it's ready. Now let's decorate the chutney with basil blossoms and spring onion. Here we are done. This is your choice. Enjoy your meal. And thanks for watching, guys.